Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volkswagen Golf MK2 and this is by Hotwheels. Let's open and see how it looks. So in this list actually we have these three cars, but I can't able to find these two. So we already unboxed the Ford Focus and the Nissan Skyline. So let's see this Volkswagen MK2. Here it is. This looks really nice. The paint job is really amazing on this one. Let me just try to show you guys the interior. It's actually, the glass is tinted, so I don't know if you guys are able to see it. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.